In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial of the VN VlogNow video editing app. Now, whether you're planning to edit videos for YouTube or for TikTok, I'll be covering all the basics. So that way, when you finish this video, you can start editing right away. If you're new to the channel, we believe you can make an impact on people's lives through smartphone video. So if you want to learn smartphone filmmaking, join the mobile creator revolution and subscribe today. Let's begin this tutorial. Now, I'm going to be doing this tutorial from my iPad, but don't worry, it's going to be the same experience whether you're on your iPhone or Android device. It's just going to look a little bit different. Now, to start, what we're going to do is click the plus button, click New Project, and now we can import the videos that we want. So I'm going to select my clips here by clicking on the little circle. There we go. Then click the arrow to import it all into the timeline. So to trim a clip, simply click the Trim button. And then you can drag the sliders to wherever you want, so that way you can trim the clip just to the right length that you want. To rearrange a clip, simply hold down your finger on it, and then you can slide it anywhere you want and let go, and that'll put it in that position. If you want to cut or split a clip in half, just line it up where you want it, and then click the split button, and it'll cut the clip right in half, and it'll make two different clips. If for some reason you made a mistake, there is a back button on the far right side. You can simply click that, and it'll actually reverse what you did. If you want to change the aspect ratio, on the top, you'll see it says original. If we click on that, we can actually change it to whatever aspect ratio we want. 16:9 is what you would use for YouTube, and then 9:16 would turn it into a TikTok video or basically something in portrait. If you want the video to be in full screen mode when you're in portrait, simply click on crop and then make sure you choose 9:16 so I can line it up with the people here. Click the check mark, and there you go. Now it's taking up the full screen and you don't have those blurry things on the top and the bottom. Now, we already talked a little bit about crop, but just to show you again, if you want to crop in even further, you could grab the edges here and you can actually zoom in on wherever you want that crop to be. So let's say we want to zoom in on these people. There we go. I can click the check mark, and there we are. We are now cropped in on these people. If you want to add transitions in between two clips, simply click the plus button, and you'll have access to all your transitions. Now, there are some pretty cool ones in here, like dissolve. You have this zoom effect. You could do a little rotation. So you can go around and play with all these later. You'll also notice on the bottom here, this apply to all button. So if you wanted to apply a transition to all the clips, you could. You'll see this pop up later in different settings. To add text to a video, all you're going to do is click on the line that says tap to add subtitle. So we're going to click on that, and then we have a selection of text here that we can add. So I'm just going to choose one, and then I can type in the text. Now I can actually grab this and move it around anywhere I want. I can also grab these two arrows here to resize it, and then this other side would be to rotate, and obviously the X would be to delete it. And then you are given a few settings here. You can, if you want to change the effect of the text, you can choose that there. Here you can choose the font. Then you can also choose the color and the borders and whatnot. And then if you want to apply transitions to your text, we'll actually have to go outside of here. And as you can see, when the text is selected, there is that motion button. If we click on that, now we have access to text transitions. So if we want, we could do a fade effect, we could do a spin effect, scale, etc. But you'd be able to apply in animation, out animation, and if you wanted it to loop, you could also apply that effect as well. There is a keyframe option, but that's a bit of a more advanced effect. If you guys would like to see an advanced tutorial of this app, comment down below and let me know if you would like to see that. And if there's enough people saying they would, I will go ahead and make that tutorial and link it down below in the description. Another cool thing to show you guys within this app is the FX button. So if we click on that, there's a whole bunch of cool effects that you can apply to your videos. So there's this zoom in effect where it does that. There's different little jitters you can add, cool spinning effects, etc. I could see a lot of these being used in something like TikTok. So if you want to go ahead and explore these, there's a whole bunch of cool little effects you can throw in to your videos. If you want to add music to your video, just click the tap to add music button. If you want to add stickers and photos over the top of your video, just click tap to add sticker, and you can choose sticker or video/photo. If you use the stickers built into this app, there are some very creepy stickers that you can add to your videos if you really want to, but to me, they are absolutely terrifying. Or if you want, you can go ahead and add a photo and use that in your video as well. If you want to color correct or apply filters, obviously just click the filter button and you have access to a whole bunch of different filters. You can also choose the intensity of the effect by this little bar here. And then if you want to go a little bit further, you can go into adjustments, and here you can control like exposure, brightness, saturation, temperature, warmth, etc. And that's pretty much everything you need to know to get started editing with this app. Again, if you guys want to see that advanced tutorial, let me know down in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you want to improve your smartphone video, I actually made a playlist over here that you can click on. If you watch that, you'll learn how to make more professional videos using your smartphone. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.